Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy any tablet during Flipkart Tablet Premier League, then you should watch this video before buying any tablet. This Tablet Premier League sale started today at 12 noon, and after few hours the prices of some of the tablets have increased. So I don't think it will be a wise decision to buy any tablet right now, though some tablets are there that you can buy. Actually, iPad 10th generation was selling at a price point of 26,500 rupees after discount, so it was a very good pricing. But after few hours, and if you check now, you can see that the price is 30,000, and after that you will get 2,000 rupees cashback, so the effective price will be around 28,000 rupees. So at this point of time, if you ask me whether you should buy iPad 10th generation or not, my answer will be no. Similarly, Flipkart is teasing that Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus will be available under 30,000 rupees, but if you go into this page, you will see that the price is 37,999 rupees, and after that you will get only 2,000 rupees cashback, so the effective price will be 36,000 rupees. When the sale started, the price of this tablet was around 32,000 rupees after all the discounts. So I think it is a misleading ad from Flipkart that they are decreasing the price. If you ask me, I will suggest you to wait for another sale. Whenever there is a price drop, I will let you know about that deal. Then if you want to buy Redmi Pad AC 128GB and 8GB RAM version, so in that case you can buy this tablet. It is available at a price point of 10,749 rupees. And if you want to buy Poco Pad 5G, it is available at a price point of 20,000 rupees, and I don't think it is a value for money at this price point. Now I can see that the price has increased, and after that you will get only 2,000 rupees cashback, so the effective price will be 20,400 rupees. So I don't think you should buy this right now. Wait for another sale. Whenever there is a price drop, you can buy Poco Pad 5G. Similarly, if you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus Wi-Fi 128GB and 8GB RAM version, in that case the best price is available on Amazon.in. You can buy that tablet at 13,749 rupees on Amazon.in using HDFC credit card. If you want to buy MI Pad 6, then in that case you should not buy this tablet, because right now the best price is at 20,699 rupees, and I don't think it is a good pricing for this tablet. During Republic Day sale, it was available at around 17 to 18,000 rupees for the 128GB version. Rather, you should buy MI Pad 7 at 26,000 rupees. That is a great tablet. The price of Redmi Pad Pro 5G seems to be decent, because average price of this tablet is above 25,000 rupees, and in this sale you can grab this tablet at 21,749 rupees. I think it is a decent pricing. If I talk about Lenovo Tab Plus, in that case the price seems to be little bit overpriced for the 128GB Wi-Fi version, because right now the price is 16,000 rupees and you will get only 500 rupees cashback, so the effective price will be 15,500 rupees, and I don't think this is a good pricing for this tablet right now. So in the conclusion, which tablet should you buy in this Tablet Premier League sale? I think the price of all the tablets is on the higher side, so you should rather wait for Holi sale when you will get better deal. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.